Jamaican artist Projexx, who's been carving out a career that he believes will last for decades, has dropped some exciting news. For those who might not know, Projexx is the son of Lloyd, John, James, and the grandson of the legendary producer Lloyd, King Jammy, James. Now, in building his impressive catalog, Projexx is gearing up for some major collaborations, including another potential hit with Afrobeat sensation Wizkid. Remember their 2020 track, True Love, with Tay War? That song was a massive success, selling over 100,000 units in the US. Projexx called this milestone a blessing in a recent interview with Dancehall Mac. Projexx hinted that he's been working on a lot of collaborations recently, especially on the African side of things. He teased another collab with Wizkid, saying, "We did a couple the first time. True Love was just the first one. Look out for another collab with me and Wiz, and just a lot more collabs with international acts." He kept the details hush-hush, but confirmed that it will drop this year. Projexx, who signed with Warner Records in 2020, released his EP Queen Hill in 2021, featuring hits like Big A League with Baker Steez and Under Pressure with Toyin, paying homage to his hometown. When it comes to working with other Jamaican artists, Projexx is all in. He's eyeing collaborations with TJ, Masika, and Tommy Lee Sparta. But the big dream? Teaming up with dancehall superstar Sean Paul. Projexx mentioned that they're already in talks, and he looks up to Sean Paul for achieving what he's aiming for in his music career. That collaboration would be epic. Interestingly, Projexx shared his thoughts on the current state of dancehall, calling it a bit dark. He emphasized that any collaborations will align with his vision and beliefs. He's versatile, but wants to steer clear of the darker themes in dancehall. Lastly, Projexx had some advice for emerging artists. Believe in yourself. He stressed the importance of self-belief and trusting in yourself and God to make your dreams a reality.